In this video, I'm going to show you whether Pikzels AI is worth $40 a month for YouTubers. Let's get started. Pikzels AI is a thumbnail generator built specifically for YouTube creators, and it can save you a lot of time if thumbnails are important for your channel. Once you log in, you can create thumbnails from prompts, recreate thumbnails from YouTube links, analyze your thumbnail score to improve CTR, and even edit parts of the image with AI. The prompt tool lets you type any thumbnail idea and generate a custom image in seconds. If the result is not good, you can hit redo or use edit to change any selected area. The recreate tool is useful if you want to copy the style of already successful thumbnails online and make your own version. There's also an analyze feature that scores your thumbnail and gives you a one-click fix to improve weak spots. For pricing, the $40 premium plan is honestly the best value. It gives you enough credits plus access to the main features like recreate, edit, personas, and thumbnail scoring. Hiring one freelancer can cost more than this for a single design. So for active YouTubers, Pikzels is definitely worth it. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link go.pikzels.com/dine in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.